Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Institute for IELTS. Guys, today I will talk about tips for improving your spoken English. Speak, speak, speak. Be confident and speak as often as you can to as many people as you possibly can. Don't be shy to make mistakes. The more you practice, the better and more confident you will become in your pronunciation and in vocabulary also. Remember, speaking is like a skill. Learning a musical instrument or new sport. The only way you can get good is to actually do it. Use technology. A smartphone can be a powerful tool for learning languages. Use it to record yourself speaking. Then listen back to see how your English sounds to other people. Make the most of all your favorite productivity apps to organize your practice time. And make a note of all the new words you learn. Listen. Listen to news bulletins and songs in English, to listen to the pronunciation of words. You can also learn new words and expressions this way. You know, the more you listen, the more you learn. Try copying what you hear to practice your pronunciation and learn which words in a sentence are stressed. Read out loud. Read the newspaper or a magazine out to yourself. You could even find a script for your favorite TV show and act it out. This is a great way to practice pronunciation because you only need to concentrate on making sure you English sounds great and don't need to worry about string sentence structure or grammar. Learn a new word every day. Choose a word you would like to work and use practice it in different sentences. Use the word until you have learned it and keep using it regularly. Watch films, watch movies in English and pay attention to new vocabulary and pronunciation. Imitate the actors and have fun with it. Make friends. Make friends with English speakers or others learning to speak English and compare notes. Talk about things that you have learned and exchange ideas. Do interesting activities in English. Take a cooking course in English or join a book club. Anything you enjoy doing, make sure you do it and communicate it in English. Using English to talk about things you enjoy will make practicing a positive experience. Have a debate. Debate all the topics that interest you with friends in English. Try to use a much vocabulary as you can get your point across and listen to the other arguments carefully so you can argue against them effectively. Use a dictionary. Online dictionaries have often have audio examples so you can uh, check your pronunciation, and there are lots of great dictionary apps that you can take everywhere with you on your smartphone. Make sure not to become too reliant on these tools. Have a go at saying the words first, then check afterwards to see if you were right. Feel free to learn English. Support our work by doing like the videos, comment on the videos, giving suggestion for other videos, and share the videos uploaded on this YouTube channel with your friends and family. Thank you so much.